this fits in this small section here, correct? And then you put that there and you tighten it. And first problem is this. So this is the first problem. It should install in this section, and it's not wide enough, so it only goes here. Okay? And then the second problem I have is when tightening this screw. Look how stupid this is. I cannot put this sufficiently to the back, so I tried as much as I could, and I screwed up. Literally, I screwed up this thing. So now it doesn't so I had to go to the tool shop. So I bought a new one like this and a washer. Okay, I thought everything was good, but still there's no room to play. I cannot make this. It's impossible. There's no room for this to go there. So that's my second problem. Yeah, that's it. How can I fit this in there? It's impossible unless I get a bigger one. But yeah.